Yo guys, this is Kilgore and Brock here. Today we're gonna open Genesect Mystical Pokemon Collection Genesect. I have opened one of these in my other channel, but today I'm doing it in this channel. Here's the footer card, here's the pin, here's the 2 generation box. Once I open one, but look, we are savage, so this is how we open it. Okay guys, so don't forget the precious thing is this parkour right here. This is the precious thing, because with this you cannot even fucking buy it. So let's go. Okay, so here we got the Genesect pin that I got right. Oh, this is the side guard. Oh no, that I don't have right here, but.
Dice que no se puede poner el de esto, ¿cómo se llama? El flash, porque está baja la batería.
Ok, pero pasó el video.
Está pasando.
Oh, está pasando. Okay guys, but I cannot find the pen, but here we go. ¿Está grabando, verdad?
Sí, está grabando, pero está grabando sin... Mira, oscuro.
Okay. Okay guys, so here's the pin. There's the Genesect pin. There's the Genesect photo card. There's the generations, and here's the thing. So I'm gonna open the pin right now. There we go. Here's the photo card. Focus. There we go. Precious code. Take one at a time. Got it. Pin connection right here. And Charizard, my boy. And this motherfucking Blastoise. Okay guys, so here we go. Let's start with the Blastoise first. I've opened a bunch of these. Here we go guys, we got it. Okay, so this is how you do the trick, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's like that, right? So you've got energy. Energy switch, and water energy, Geodude, Clefairy, Selder, Moshoke, please be a Team Frogrant. Who is this guy? Fletchling, please be a good. Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Guys, a Jolteon EX. Okay guys, let's focus this car up.
Ahí no se ve nada. Vale, ahí mira ahí.
No se puede ver ninguna.
Sí, sí se ve.
Oh shoot! Oh my god guys! Oh my god guys! Oh my god! Guys, this is the best card you can ever pull. Charizard. Oh my god, I'm gonna keep this card as a memory guys. Okay guys. What can make this better if we can put a Mega here. That way this can make this better. This can be the best card opening of ever if we can get it open here. If I'm not lying, this is how I open the cards. Right here. It's being opened right now. Guys, I can't believe we got Jolteon EX. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go guys. Gengar! Starting it up with a Gengar guys. Gengar, Slowpoke, Meowth, Ghastly, Kingler, Trainer, Minnesota, Clefable, right? Clefable, yeah. Right here, Clefable, Wobbuffet, female, Machamp Haro, and this is the rarest card. Gardevoir EX. Guys, that's it for the video. Peace out.